Hello guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel, Lita Brown. And guys, don't forget again to subscribe, likes, and share our videos so you can update all our new upload on our channel. Guys, today is day 18 of our fence construction, and they start already, guys. The new plan of husband this back door, this one, guys. So they still not yet do the hole, because they need to finish the flooring outside. That is the terrace at the back. So that is the new plan of husband at the back. That's what they done yesterday for our terrace at the back.
Times late under the moon, and I thank God I'm breathing, and I pray don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surround, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more war, and our children will play one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. Start to bounce, we not lose, 'cause we all lose, but now feed on the souls of the innocent, blood-drenched pavement. Keep on moving, though the water's still raging, and in this place you may lose the way. The way might drive you crazy, but don't let it slip you away. No way. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity is around, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. One day is how we change, should be about the same. Stop with the violence, down with.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my stand and go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Fine, another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. I know it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I wanna see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. I know it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when
We done for today, guys, and for the meantime, that is our door tonight, just tonight, guys. So ayan, for the meantime, that is our door. Yeah, and it's very dusty, but it's okay. This is our garden also, guys. So I show you the garden. So this is our garden on the front. Ayan. Our rose. So I put artist there. Dwarf coconut, and I forgot if this is calamansi or orange. Ayan. So I have also here pineapple. Tinanim ko na dyan. I planted the aloe vera there. And this is lemongrass. Ayan yung ating itatanim ko to later on. And pineapple, atis din yun. Ayan. So hindi pa tayo naglagay ng plant there. So this is our gate in. For the meantime, that is our door. So guys, don't forget again to subscribe or likes our video so you can update all our new upload videos. Guys, that is our day for today, and see you again in our next video, guys.
Yeah.